Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we will be talking about the present indefinite tense, and our focus will be the different functions that we can perform using this tense. Before we begin, let's review the subject-verb agreement. For the first person singular, which is I wake up early in the morning. I recite Quran for 10 minutes. For the second person singular, you come to school by van. You attend the assembly. For third person singular, which is he, she, and it, we can say he eats lunch at 2 o'clock. She breaks the fast with a date. You must have noticed that in these two sentences we have used S with the verb. Now, how do we form questions for the third person singular? He washes the car on Sunday. Does he wash the car on Sunday? You can see that in the first sentence, in the affirmative sentence, we have used washes. But in the question we have wash. We have used does and wash. Does he wash the car on Sunday? She teaches English to class 7. Does she teach English to class 7? It likes to drink milk. Does it like to drink milk? The first function that we can perform using this particular tense is to answer yes-no questions. Do I enter from this door? Yes, you do. Or no, you don't. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Does she bring her own stationery? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. Does he have a car? Yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. Do we require an ID card? Yes, you do. Or no, you don't. Do they come on time? Yes, they do. Or no, they don't. You must have noticed that in two of these sentences where she and he is used, we have started the question with does. The second function that we can perform using this tense is for something that is happening right now. This is when we are giving a commentary about something that is happening right now. Here he comes. He walks to the teacher and submits his assignment. She walks to the mic and starts the speech. The player runs and throws the ball with full strength. We use this tense also for habits. I read every day before going to bed. She eats ice cream with wafers. He never misses school. It sleeps in the basket. We can use this tense also for talking about routines. I go to school regularly. I recite Quran in the morning. She walks to school. They eat lunch at 2 o'clock. For giving instructions also, we use the simple present tense or the present indefinite tense. Read for 15 minutes every day. Listen to an audio in English whenever possible. Try to free write for 7 to 10 minutes. Cook it thoroughly for 10 minutes. The same tense is used for giving directions also. Turn left from the signal. Take the third exit from the roundabout. Move forward for 3 minutes. The same tense, that is present indefinite tense, is also used for unchanging situations. The things that are happening since a particular time and they will probably continue to happen for some time. I work at ERI. She lives in Karachi. The roads of Karachi remain filthy. General truths. The heart pumps blood to all organs of the body. The earth revolves around the sun. Two atoms combine together chemically to form a molecule. To express fixed arrangements. These arrangements are timetabled or scheduled arrangements. The examination starts at 9 o'clock in the morning. The train arrives at 9 o'clock. The course begins from Tuesday. To express future time after some conjunctions, for example, after, when, before, as soon as, and until. I will give it to you when you come to the party. So, coming to the party will happen somewhere in the future. Don't start the program until the guests arrive. The guests will arrive in the future and the program will start at that time. We need to finish this before they come. We can go out as soon as you finish your homework. After I complete my work, we will color it together. Now let's look at the simple present questions. How do you ask yes-no questions? Do male penguins keep the eggs warm? Yes, they do. Does water boil at 80 degrees centigrade? No, it does not. It doesn't. How do we form questions using question words? Why do people grow? Where does water come from? When do fish sleep? What does this word mean? Who do you sit next to? How does a mobile work? What and who in subject questions. Who knows the answer to this question? What makes it work? What function or functions are focused in these questions? Why do people grow? We want to know a reason. Where does water come from? We want to know the origin or the place. When do fish sleep? We want to know the time. What does this word mean? We are seeking for information. Who do you sit next to? The reply has to be a name. How does a mobile work? We want to know the procedure. So these are also the different functions that we can perform using the present simple tense when we are using the WH question words. Jazakallah, that's all for today. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.